think you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
Hey guys, so I passed my written test. I don't know what I'm trying to do with my hand. I studied so much for the test and none of the questions were even on it, the ones that I studied for. There was just one out of the 46 that I knew, and the rest I just really guessed on it. The only thing is just having common sense about stuff, so, and that's how you pass, folks. You might think, yo, why are you getting your driver's license so late? I'm 17, about to turn 18 in 2 months. I never really did it before because I was lazy to, and nobody ever really pushed me to do it either. So I just completed it right now, and I'm about to turn 18. It's lame, I know. But anyways, I did it, and there's a longest line, especially now in the DMV. I had to wait for an hour or something. My knees hurt, both of them, from just standing up, but that's why you gotta go early. Anyways, that's all, folks.
Missing someone.